look at that wind here. Kicking into it pretty good right now. Pedaling pretty hard, making about 1.6 knots over ground. Going against the tide, against the wind.